I totally forgot to like point out the obvious. I got a haircut. Do you guys like it? Yes, no, yes, no. Let me know in the comments down below. Hey, I should be a rapper because, yeah, that's all I got. Alright, let's start today's video. What's up everyone, it's Mercedes and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on my notifications so you can get notified every time I post a new video. So today you are here to see a back to school haul, college edition. I've decided to do this video for you guys because school is starting soon and I know sometimes like it's hard to still look cute when you're waking up like super early for class. So I have made this video for you guys to get some inspiration on back to school outfits. So I have 4 outfits for you guys and the way I'm going to break them down is from like super cute to like super comfy. So the first outfit that I have for you is from Sugarhigh. I love this company and I will leave all of the information as to where I got my clothes down below. But this is a super fast and easy outfit. It's one piece. I love one piece items because you literally just throw it on and you look freaking cute and you don't have to put any time or effort. Just hang it on a hanger the night before and girl, you good to go out the door in the morning looking cute. I love the flowers on it and it has pockets and it goes all the way down. The back is open and it has a tie in the back. I love this thing. I have like worn it so much. So to pair with this outfit, just some sandals that I have here. So in the back they have little tassels that you zip up and they are super cute, super stylish, no effort at all. They're slip-ons, like you just zip it down, slip your foot in and you are out the door in a hurry with coffee in one hand and your books in the other. You're ready. The second outfit that I have for you guys is a overall skirt and it's super simple, not a lot of work, but you still get the same vibes of like a dress but not being fully committed because you're still kind of wanting to like dress down but look cute. So what I'm going to pair with this is this pink shirt. So it looks like this. It is ribbed, so that gives it a little bit of texture to the shirt. And I'm going to be pairing it with these super cute overalls and it's a skirt. So the shoes that I would pair with that outfit are comfy shoes because you're going to be walking around campus or meeting up with your friends, aka doing a lot of walking, right? So you want to be comfy. And I have these shoes. I love these shoes. They are so comfy. You throw them on and it looks like you actually put effort into your outfit. But really it's just the shoe doing all of the work for you because they have all these cool designs on them. They have like little studs here, the design in the front. Super cute, they're suede. Okay, the next outfit that I have for you guys, we're going to play it down just a little bit. This is kind of like your, I'm putting some effort in, but I'm also like super comfy outfit. So starting this outfit out would be a okay but first coffee shirt because when school's in session, how much coffee do we all need, right? Like, you literally need gallons. So to pair with the shirt would be some really comfy bohemian pants, and they are flare out, so they flare out. And I also put a black ribbon in my hair to make it fun. And honestly, the shoes that I would pair with that outfit would be my fuzzies because your girl ain't got time to buckle up, to put laces, to do all, you know what, just slip these bad boys on and we are out the door ready to go. Okay, the last outfit, this is probably like 100% like every girl's go-to outfit because it is so comfy and just amazing and you still look cute. So I have for you, I'm sure you guys already know what I'm gonna say, yoga pants. That is literally like, this is college attire. 24/7 college attire. Everyone could relate to this. But anyways, I have some yoga pants and this super comfy sweater, but it's also cute. Gotta throw like the cute sweaters on because it has a tie in the front that you can tie on your belly. So you're showing a little bit of skin, you're super duper comfy, but you're also like making the outfit look cute. And what I would pair with this outfit would literally just be a pair of Nikes. Honestly, these are the best Nikes ever. I have them tied, but you just slip your foot in and pull from right here and your foot just like slides in. So literally the entire video, Mocha was just in here, all up in this business. So just got some camera time. Say hi, Mocha. Say hi to everyone. Say hi. Alright, bye guys. Okay, well that's all I have for you guys. I hope you enjoyed the outfits and hopefully they give you some inspiration for your back to school outfits. And all of these outfits are like super affordable and you can mix and match. But I gave you guys a good variety of dress up outfits that you look really cute just in case you want to go to a coffee shop with your friends and just hang out, but you also want to look cute and you want to do like a couple hours of studying. You still want to look cute so you can get those Instagram photos, right? But then I also gave you guys like outfits that are like super duper chill, where you're like, okay, Instagram's not working today, I'm having a bad hair day, but I'm still gonna look cute and comfy. So different little areas here and there to get some inspiration off those outfits. So I hope you guys like it. Make sure you give me a big old thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and do that. But before you guys go, make sure you go and check out my website. I worked really hard on it and I'm so proud, and I just can't wait to connect with you guys, so I will leave that in the description box. Go check it out, please. I love you. But with all of that being said, I think that's a wrap to this video. I hope you guys have a great semester in school. Get good grades. Study, 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 study. Don't be a fool. Thank you guys for watching the video. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!